Hey, good morning, everyone. So today we'll see, right, not only futures and options. Let us also see how we can make money without using your own money. How you can make money using stocks. So, as I mentioned yesterday, we developed one more script or one more indicator called RC scan, where you can have some standard stocks, right? For example, this is Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google, all the standard stocks you can have in one place. And then, right, this is like all the US stocks. Then you can have all the cryptos. You can have all the forex futures. If you want to, you can have India stocks. In the same way, you have custom where you can define whichever tickers you want, right? For example, today PLTR is moving good, RCL is moving good, CLH is moving good, DXEM. So some tickers, whichever are moving good, you can add them. And then once we say okay, then it will. So whenever they are close to a buy order block, right? The order block can be at the bottom or at the middle, or it may go all the way to the top and there might be a sell order block. This will send us an alert, right? We are basically using all the high momentum tickers for the day. So as of now, we took all the bullish stocks for the day, right? PLTR, RCL, DXEM. So whenever we receive a notification, right? It will send a notification saying like, yeah, there is a big order block or there is a big, so it is telling like XCL is inside an order block. Like that, whenever we receive a notification, we can go and see, okay, is it a big buy order block or is it a big sell order block, right? Is it good to go long, good to go short? And then we can make money with stocks. So there is a platform. Uh, Let me show you. There is a platform called Paid Funder. Uh, I have to log in. Just let me log in. Yes. So this is Paid Funder, which is like a just like you have Apex and all other companies for futures. This is where you can do it with stocks and options. Right? They also have futures, but this is the best one for stocks and options. If you want to make money using stocks and options without investing your own money, you can open a account with them. Right, with stocks the advantage is, right, with futures, right, it is a global market. You have millions and billions, and also they are mostly ETFs, right? For example, yes, if out of 500 companies, if anything move and up and down, there can be high volatility based on how the market is moving, how the 500 stocks are moving. NQ, it is a combination of 100 tech stocks. So based on those things, they can quickly move up and down. There is stock, let us say, you know that PLTR gave a good earnings yesterday. So if it comes to the bottom, there is a high chance for PLTR to go up. Or Nvidia came all the way down, SOXL came all the way down. So there is a high chance for them to go down if you see them in 30 minutes at the bottom. So the risk is low when you trade with stocks compared to futures. Right? So we can also, if you see any stock, right? For example, today we have all these stocks. If any stock comes to a good bullish order block, right? Suddenly you see a big bullish order block. That means there is a high possibility for PLTR to go to $27, right? It came to the bottom. You got a buy signal, right? Whenever you get a buy signal, this is an order block, right? There is a big strong support. So we know overall this was, if you see what is the right, PLTR reported good earnings. And overall, yesterday it went to nearly $29, right? After earnings, it went to nearly 28.8. And today morning, there was a pullback. And now you can see that there is a strong order block. It came to the bottom. Your swing cloud is still blue in color. That means for day trading, it became red for some time, but your swing is still. So there is a high chance for PLTR to go minimum till the midpoint, right? There is a resistance here. Then if it breaks that resistance, it can go all the way here. In that way, for example, if it does a retest, we can confidently buy PLTR. It will go to $27. Even if you buy 100 stocks, it is $100 profit, right? At the same time, if you also see a strong support, you can also do options, right? At the same time, you can buy stocks, you can buy options, you can make money, right? You can give PLTR, and then it will show all the, just like your think or swim platform or IBKR, it will show all different uh, option chain. Then based on where you want, right, you can select okay, expiration August 9th, strike range plus or minus 2, like that. And if you want to buy a call or buy a or a sell a put, whatever you want, right, you can do sell the puts also. You can do credit, you can yeah, not only buying calls or buying puts. You can also sell the calls or sell the puts. If a stock is bullish, you can sell the put where your risk is less, right? For example, if PLTR is bullish, let us say I want to sell sell the 26 put, right? Why? Because you have a strong support at 26 or 25.6. That means I collected some 60 $70. Even if stock comes here, touch this, again it can bounce back. If it goes to 27, I can make nice profits. Or if without dropping, if it goes also, I can make nice profits. So your risk is minimal. You are not using your own money. And you are looking like, okay, PLTR, yesterday it went to 29. Now there is a pullback. There is a strong support here. There is a strong order block here, right? And also if you see, it can, you have a sell order block somewhere here. Your swing cloud is blue. You are day trading, right? If price goes above the day trading cloud, that means this day trading also, now ultimately is also giving a buy signal. This day trading cloud also will become green. That means there is a high possibility for PLTR to go up, and you are not risking your own money. You can uh, right, make money with stocks. You can make money with options with a low risk approach, because you know that there is a lot of bull, right? You see how many bulls are there, how many buyers, 1.224 million buyers. How many bears are there? Only 181,000 bears. That means there is a high possibility for stock to go up. If you also see RCL, 60.89 buyers, 17.12 sellers. That means overall it is bullish. And if one of these stocks comes to a bull order block, right, buy order block, then that is much better opportunity. So without risking your own money, you can trade and you can make nice gains every day. Even if you make 200 $300 with 2 or 3 trades, that is good enough, right? You can trade with stocks, you can trade with options, or you can do futures, whichever you want. So what I'm trying to tell you is, using the same effort, you can make money in different ways, right? You are watching the same charts. For example, SPY comes to a strong resistance, right? Let us go and look at uh, yeah. So now PLTR is going up. There is a high possibility for PLTR, but if it goes above, then we can also take in the personal accounts. Right? You can sell the 26 put PLTR, because if you are selling 26 put and you are collecting some $60, $70, that means your break even for the stock is 25.4 or something, where there is a strong support. That means even if it comes back to 25.4, there is a high possibility, and it is at the bottom, right? It had good earnings. The stock came to the bottom to the strong support. Even right on any point of day, PLTR also has a lot of military contracts. It also coming up with AI and other things. It reported good earnings. So even if it comes to 25.4, right, even if the stocks get assigned also, again it can move to 28 or 29. So our overall risk is low when you are selling the puts. So even if it comes down, there is a high possibility for it to go back till 27. So if it breaks this swing cloud, then we will also enter in the personal accounts. And also I can buy some stocks also. So whenever you get a sell signal near the sell order block, good opportunity. Whenever you get a buy signal at a buy order block, that's a good opportunity. So now we got a buy, right? I entered little late, but yeah, if we'd have entered somewhere here, already it is nearly 50 or nearly $1 up from our buy signal. And if it breaks this, then it can go all the way, right? Always these blocks are like magnets. So price will always go to them, right? Either price comes to the buy order block or price goes to the sell order block. You have a big sell order block here. So there is a possibility for price to go there. And because you are selling the put, right? I sold the 26 put and collected premiums. So as long as PLTR stays above 25.4 by this Friday, then I'll be making nice profits. Most probably it should bounce because we can see that there are a lot of buyers who are interested. Right, our scanner is showing that there are nearly 1.24 million buyers. Sellers are only 181,000 sellers. I hope it is making sense, right? You got the right. There are so many lot of confluences, right? Price some yesterday it was 29. Today you are getting it at 20% discount. That is a good deal. Your scanner is showing there are nearly 6 times more buyers than the sellers. Your scanner is showing that it came to the bottom and it is at a strong support. Your scanner is showing the swing for swing, it is a good opportunity. So now I can also go ahead and enter in my personal account. Right, I took it in my prop firm. Now I can do the same thing in my personal account. Nearly 20% profit already on the prop firm account. Now I can go ahead and even buy the stocks. Basically, I'm selling a 26 put, collecting $57 per contract. Now ZB is showing bullish. So generally when ZB is bullish, UB also will be good. So we can watch ZB and UB. I sold the PLTR 26 put and collected nearly $57 per contract. So if it comes little bit down, again it will go up. So now you can see there is a huge buy order block, right? It came to the bottom. Now we can also look at UB, ultra bonds, because ultra bonds and ZB they move in same direction. There is a 1.125K buy order block. But ZB looks much better because it is somewhere close to the midpoint, whereas ZB is little close to the bottom. So I can go ahead and take a trade on ZB. Right, I entered a long on ZB because it is at the bottom. Overall, it is bullish. Right. If you It went all the way to 125.04. If you see that overall trend is bullish, it came to the bottom and then there is a big buy order block here. So there is a high possibility for ZB to go minimum somewhere till here. So if I make some $150 with one contract, with one account, I can close this trade. So I took a long on this because first thing is your scanner gave it. Second thing is it is at the bottom. Overall, it is a bullish ticker. There is a huge buy order block. And if I want, I can also go here and check like how many buyers and how many sellers. Futures. If I click OK. So ZB you can see 7.67K buyers and 2.47 sellers. That means overall the trend is bullish. So there is a high possibility if more buyers, right, nearly double the buyers than the sellers or people the quantity. That means there is a high possibility for this to go up. And so you can confidently take the trade. Right? You got confidence from your scanner. You got confidence from the price pulse. You got confidence from this, the another scanner. So if your bulls are much higher than your bears, right? More than twice, more than thrice, then that is generally a good opportunity. So for example, yes, we can see nearly 62,000 bulls and 32. That means nearly double. In Q also, 20,000 nearly 19.6 thousand bears, 10.6 sorry, 19.6 bulls, 10.6 bears. It is not very good, right? If it is four times, five times, then that is the best opportunity. For crude oil, you can see 1.9 bears and 6.96 bulls. So that's why if you go to CL, you can see that how it is moving. Yet there is a lot of bullish volume. So if more buyers, more demand, price is going without a stop there. Yeah, ZB is looking good. And then ZS is also looking good. But when they come to a buy order block or sell order block, that is much better opportunity. As of now, they are little far, but yeah, still ZB can make nice profits. Let's look at. So you will also get an alert whenever they are close to a buy order block or sell order block. Immediately we can see a notification that it is close to a buy or sell. Then we can go and check them. So AMD is very bearish, right? 106 bulls, 435K bears. Now let us go to AMD and check. Yeah, yesterday we took a bear call spread and it made nice profits. AMD went to nearly 129. So, right, yesterday we took 50% profits. You can take profits on the remaining. Take gains on AMD bear call spread. So because again chip stocks have started bouncing up, so better we take the profits. And at the beginning it went much more down, but now also it is in nice profits. Right, yesterday we collected the premiums by selling the calls. So now you can buy back at a small price. So AMD, yeah, it came all the way down, but because it came from nearly 130, $139, it came to 129. So now it is at the bottom. It is trying to bounce back. Better we take the profits. Mm, Microsoft. Microsoft is bouncing up. Microsoft became bullish now, but it already went all the way to from nearly $396. It went to $403. So if Microsoft comes to the bottom, we can enter long on Microsoft. Right, NKD and NQ, they are showing in orange color. Let us go to NKD and NQ. Yeah, okay, NQ came to the bottom and then went all the way to the top. But as of now, we don't see any major sell order block there. Right? If we see any major sell order block, we can either do MNQ short or we can buy some QQQ puts. As of now, it is telling that yeah, NQ can go down, but we don't have a proper confluence. Right? If it goes somewhere here, 18320, then we can see a huge sell order block. We can wait on NQ short for some more time. We are holding ZB for some more time. It is telling that Tesla is approaching an order block. Tesla is inside order block. So let us go to Tesla and check it. Tesla touched Tesla touched an order block, trying to bounce up. Yeah, we can do a bull put spread for Tesla because it came to the bottom. It touched the order block. It did a double, right, double bottom, and it is trying to move up. So minimum it can go to $200. PLTR is moving very good. It's moving very, very good. So I sold 200 put and bought 195 put for Tesla for August 16th. So you can see like how PLTR maybe the 26.8 plus. So my puts are making money. So it already made nearly stocks are making money. So in the it is making money in the prop firm. It is making money in the personal account. So when it goes and touch this one, I can close the trade. Right, your complete momentum is bullish. If it breaks this one, then it can go all the way to $28. But we better always take some 60%, 70% profits here. And then if it starts going up, you can hold for more profits. If not, once it starts dropping, you take the remaining profits. So, right, I bought stocks in the personal account. I sold the puts in personal account. I sold the puts in prop firm. I bought the stocks in prop firm. So you are, for the same effort you are putting, you are making money in different ways, and you can have unlimited number of accounts in the prop firm, right? Once you understand the logic, once you take the trades, once you have confidence, then just you make one or two trades like this without risking your own money. You can make money in different ways. Even if it goes down, again it will bounce back. So where do you think Tesla can go till? So there is a high possibility for Tesla to touch and then go somewhere here. I'm holding GB because overall it is at the bottom. Even if it goes little bit down, again it will bounce back. It should be does a double bottom, and if it touches this one, we can go long or we can do a credit spread. We can sell some 168 puts and buy 165 puts like that. Because overall there is a lot of bulls here, there are a lot of bears here. So stock can go all the way to 168, 169. If silver comes somewhere here, right, then we can buy the calls. We can also buy silver long at the same time. Right? Again, you do it in personal accounts, you do in prop firms, right? You buy options, you buy stocks, you buy futures. So by watching the same chart, you can make money in 5, 6 different ways. Yeah, there is nearly 165,000 bulls here. So if it comes to the bottom, that is very good opportunity. One point 1 bulls, 253 bulls, 7.6K bulls. Keep on going up, but it is close to a resistance, so a little risky to buy ABM now. Once it goes around $27 or 26.9 or 95, we can take the profits because there is a huge sell order block there. Again, at that point of time, again, right, it is overall bullish stock, so it's a risky to sell the calls, but yeah, we can take profits once it goes close to the waiting to take profits on this one. Once we take profits on PLTR, we'll go to the next ticker. But I hope you can see, right, you can how you can scale up your time and effort, right? If you have a small account, right, if I buy 100 stocks, I may make $50, $100. But if you are only buying 5 stocks, then or 10 stocks, you may not see much benefit. You may think like, oh, I spent so much time, I just made $5 or $2, $3. That's why you have the prop firm where you can buy the same 100 stocks or 200 stocks. Once you see there is a strong setup, once you understand why you are taking such a trade, right? You got a lot of reasons, right? Especially if earnings, there is a bad earning, then most of the time the stock will keep going down for next 2 or 3 days. If there is a good earning, most of the time the stock will give a pullback and again keep going up. Right? In futures, you exactly don't know when it can go down, or right, suddenly there is a bad news, or because ES and Q, they are combination of so many stocks. Some stocks will keep going up, some stocks will keep going down. Based on that, your ES and Q can move up and down. Right? Again, if you are an experienced trader, you can still make money. But what I'm saying is, as a new trader, if you have problems with completing EAs or making money with PAs, then stocks is another option where you use the earning, right? Whatever earnings happened yesterday, you can see like, okay, what are those stocks which went up, which went down, and then you basically wait for a pullback on those stocks, right? Just that's what we did for PLTR. It went all the way to 29 plus. It gave a pullback to 25.6. Then we entered it around $26. Now it made nearly 80 cents. That means nearly 100 stocks is $80. Right? Within half an hour, you are making $80. That means your hourly billing rate is 160. That is only with your personal account. Now I traded another 100 stocks in the prop firm. So my 80 plus 80, $160. I also traded options. That is another $200. Now your billing rate is $400. So in your job, can you make that billing rate? Right? Can you double your billing rate even if you work 20 hours a day? Right? That is not possible. But here, once you follow the system, once you follow the rules, once you understand why we are taking a trade, right? I told you what are the different reasons. We saw that, right? PLTR 1.24 million buyers, 181K sellers. That means nearly 5 times more number of buyers. That is our number one reason. Scanner gave it is a bullish and shown a huge difference in the buyers and sellers. Second reason, it came to the bottom. Our other scanner shown PLTR in the green color. The third reason, your price pulse and price pilot, they have shown some huge buy order blocks. Your RSI was completely green. So because of so many reasons, we were confident that this will move up. So that's why we took options, we took stocks. That too we took in both the places, prop firms and also in the personal accounts. So, so at same time you made nearly, right? For example, this made nearly $500. Right? You can take gains on PLTR, in both prop firms, and right, if you have prop firms, you take in prop firms. So Tesla also will make in some time. Buying. So nearly 500 plus 500, right? 500 on your personal account, 500 on your prop firm. That is nearly $1,000, right? Even if we work entire day, our billing is not $1,000 in the current market. So with one trade, you made your $1,000. And if you have only one prop firm account, you can create multiple prop firm accounts, right? Within for trade funder, you can have 10 accounts, you can have 20 accounts. So for the same trade, you can multiply your profit by 20 times if you want. But only thing is, whenever you take a trade, you wait for the proper setup. So because once it touch, because it's a huge sell order block, we may see a big drop. So that's why, yeah, right. If we wait until last minute, some of you may be slow traders. You may need some time to close the trades. That's why even before it goes and touches it, we are trying to book the profits. Because there are so many limit sell orders sitting there. Whenever it touch, suddenly there can be a huge big red candle, right? But because overall trend is bullish, we don't want to buy puts here or sell calls here. Because if number of buyers increase, it can also break this and can go all the way to the top. If it goes somewhere here and if you see a sell order block, that is a good opportunity because you don't want to take any trades at the midpoint. You take at the bottom somewhere here or you take puts somewhere here. In between, it is always a risk. It can be 50-50. Need hope it is making sense. Yeah, Tesla is also moving good. Right, again, we can buy, right? If market is overall very bullish, we'd have bought calls for Tesla or PLTR because overall market is little tensed because of the war and other things. We are trying to reduce the risk by taking bull put spreads. So your risk is minimal, right? You have a limited risk. Even if it stays choppy, you will make money. Even if it goes little bit down, you will make money. If it goes up, you will make huge money, right? You have more probability to make profits when you take credit spreads compared to buying calls and puts. If you buy calls and if it doesn't move up quickly, no, because of theta decay, all your premiums will be at a loss. So no, Tesla is also making profits, but we can give some more time. Because for Tesla, until 201, you don't have a huge sell order block. Right? There is a possibility for it to go till here, either by today or by tomorrow. We can see Tesla somewhere at 201, 202. Right? Again, if you want, you can buy stocks. You can buy option calls. You can sell the puts. You can do a debit spread. You can do a credit spread. It is up to you based on your risk, your account size. Right? For lower risk, I am taking bull put spreads so that even if stock doesn't move also, right, I'm taking the worst situation because of any reason, even if it doesn't move also, our risk will be minimal. When you buy the calls, you want price to directly go up. When you buy credit spreads, even if it just stays choppy also, that is will make profits. Even if it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, theta decay will help you. When you buy calls, theta decay will be your enemy. Theta decay means time decay. Right? Time should be in your favor when you buy calls, or when you buy calls, it should immediately start going up. When you buy puts, it should immediately start going down. If it makes a lot of up and down, the implied volatility and theta decay will be your enemies. But when you do credit spreads, even if it goes up and down, that is for your advantage, right? You don't want price to go down, but if it stays like this up and down, you will be still in profits. Yeah, we have daily sessions where we do trainings and we have a lot of recordings. If anyone is new, once you subscribe, you'll get access to all the trainings. So we are still holding our ZB trade because overall it is at the bottom and it will go up. Maybe it may take little when trickle down, but again it will go up and make profits. Then let us look at uh, Netflix and AVGO came to see. To see is at the bottom, right? You can see there is nearly 259,000 buy order block here, but there is also a sell order block. Overall, I mean, it came to the bottom, right? Overall, if you if I disable everything, you can see that it is at the bottom. So second thing we want is there a buy order block? There is a buy order block. Next thing we want is it should start reversing, right? We should see a green candle. The green candle should be a good, strong green candle, not a with lot of big wick up and down. We want to see a proper green candle with a wick at the upside. So the only problem is there is a big sell order. If you don't have a sell order block, then it can go all the way till here. You can buy stocks, you can sell the options, right? You can sell 19.5 or 19.8. But yeah, let us wait for a green candle and then we can look into and see. And then Netflix is if it comes somewhere here, right? It went all the way to the top, touched the resist, right? This is the sell zone. From the buy zone, it went to the sell zone and then it started dropping. If it comes again back to this zone, right? This is our buy zone where there is a buy order block. If it comes here and we see a green candle, then again we can buy calls. We can buy a credit spread. Right? So let us give some more time for Netflix. And then yeah, if any of you see anything good, you can let me know, right? If you have indicators and you are watching any tickers as a community, right? Because I can only look few, but if you see something at the bottom, you see a buy order block, everyone can make money, right? If you see any good tickers and at the bottom with a buy order block, that is much better, right? In that way, we can make 20, 30 profits every day. So AVGO also went all the way to the top. Uh, Overall trend is bullish. So right here there are a lot of bulls. It came to the bottom, touched the support, went all the way to the top. Now, the number of bears are not very huge, right? If it is huge number of bears, we would have bought puts or something. But because they are very small, it may come little bit down and then start going up again. So it is risky. Overall, your momentum is also a lot of bullish momentum. So better we wait for some time to, if it comes to the bottom, again we can buy the calls. A trade funder is a good one for options prop firm trading. JP Morgan. Yeah, JP Morgan is bullish, but it already touched the bottom at 845. It went all the way to the top. From $194, it went to $199. Now it is at a sell order block at a resistance. Because the trend is very bullish, your overall momentum is bullish. It is little risky to buy the puts or sell the calls here, even though it is at the top. So here you see 84,000 bulls. Here it is only 12. And also, yeah, mm, we don't want to go against the trend. So if it is bearish ticker at the top, we'll buy the puts. If it is bullish at the bottom, we'll buy the calls. Uh, Snow, CNA, TSM. Snow is, yeah, snow if it comes somewhere around 114.7, 114.8. Yeah, there is a good number of order block here. Yeah, if it comes here and then we see a green candle, we can go with a long position. We can buy calls or we can sell puts. Then TSM went all the way to the top. AVG also went all the way to the top. Now there can be a small pullback and then you can go further up. CVNA, KDOS. KDOS went up. Again, this is more also like a hedge in case tomorrow they announce that on Wednesday they will announce the war. So this will act as a hedge. If there is any war news, this will go to 22 plus. I think yesterday we took somewhere around, it went little down, but still it can go further up. So we are still holding this. Yeah, we can hold to the KTOS. One is with earnings can come good. The second reason is if there is any war news that will act that can make a huge profits. So now UB came down, started moving up. So we can actually add UB now. So the ZB will move into profits and UB will move into more profits. So there is a overall it is bullish, came to the bottom. There is a big buy order block. So yeah, I'm adding UB also. And what is the stock we can buy when UB moves up? Then TMF will start moving up, right? So we can go to TMF and you can see that there is a huge buy order block at the bottom. So one is you can buy the calls, or you want a low risk, you can also sell the puts. If you have a high account, you can either do a credit spread or you can sell the put. Because there is a huge order block, even if it does a double bottom, comes down, again it can go all the way to 59.4. So let us just give a minute. Let us wait for yes, MB. If we see a nice green candle, we can, or it may do a double bottom and then go up. And one more thing is UB and 10 years, they are opposite to each other. So if UB starts moving up, 10 years will start going down. It is like TMF and TMV. If TMF starts going up, TMV will start going down. So once UB touches the bottom or this TMF touches the bottom, we can buy calls here. And if we see a reversal, we'll buy TMF calls. We can buy TMF puts. We can short 10 year. And already we took a long on UB. UB, ZB, they will start going up. They may go all the way till here. And the good thing with the UB and the ZP is generally, unless there is a major news event, they will generally go in one direction, right? Not like NQ, NKD, silver, where suddenly they go up, suddenly there will be a big candle up and down. They are very high volatile. Whereas UB, ZB, 10 years, these will be very slow tickers. Once you um, enter at a right time, then mostly you'll make profits. So we are waiting for TMF to whether it can do a double bottom, or if it shows a nice green candle, we can buy calls. So for example, you are watching UB chart or TMF chart, right? And you see a strong setup, right? Let us go and check. Go to RC scan, that is custom. Let me change NVDL to TMF. So now if you see TMF, 55,000 bulls, 34,000 bears. It is not a huge difference. So this is not giving a PLTR. We had a huge difference that gave us more confidence. TMF, yeah, still it is good, right? Because it is nearly double the number of buyers than sellers, and we are at the bottom. And then let us look at other confluence. Okay, scanner is showing nearly double. Then overall, it is a bullish ticker, or okay, it is a bearish. But yesterday it went to nearly 60 plus or 61 plus, came to the bottom. There is a big buy order block. There are no sell orders here. RSI 1 minute is green. Top trend gave a buy signal. Mm, I can just give one or two more candles because the candles are not strong enough. They are giving a huge wick and down wick. If we see a strong bullish candle, then we can enter option calls. Again, there is a high possibility for reversal because there is a huge buy order block. But whether it will directly go or it may do one more time, it may come down and then start going up. Right? First time it may touch the day trading cloud, come back. Next time it will break the day trading cloud, touch the swing cloud and come back. And next time it will break both the clouds and go all the way to the top. Already once it tried to go up, then came down. There is nearly a double bottom here. So most probably it should break the day trading cloud. But yeah, let us wait for a green candle and then we can enter. Either we can sell the puts, you can sell 58 puts and collect premiums. That is a low risk. Or you can buy 58 calls. But yeah, just waiting for a nice green candle, then that will give us confidence that it will keep going up. But once we see a strong setup, then as I told, you can make money with one is you'll make money with UB long. You can make money with ZB long. You can make money with ZT long. You can make money with 10 years short. You can short 10 years. You can buy TMF calls. You can sell TMF puts. You can buy TMV puts. You can sell TMV calls. You can do debit. You can do them in personal accounts. You can do on prop firms. But all we need is wait for the strong confirmation. Right? That's what we are trying to do. We want to wait for a good bullish candle. As of now, the candles are up and down, going up and coming down. So we want to see whether buyers are taking the control from sellers. because you also had a huge candle. Whenever you see a big candle, there will be some retracement. Maybe it may retrace a little bit and then start moving up again. But we also just look at TMV. Now it is at the top. It may do a double top. There is a sell order block. So it may touch that. Maybe it may touch this, or it may go till here and then start dropping. There is a buy here. So when TMF is at the bottom, TMV will at the top. Just like QQQ and SQQ. Wait for some more time. So suddenly there is a huge sell order block. So nearly 68% of these were already filled. You had only 32%, which is only 10,000. Now suddenly this 25,000 sell order block came in. Right, so that's why it was able to break the support, go a little bit down. But again, now if buyers, some more buyers step in, again this time it may go and break this one. Yeah, again, all this should start moving up, but we are waiting for the perfect time to enter, right? For UB, even you hold it, it may go little $100, $150 down, but still it will move up. Whereas here, you will unnecessarily lose the right theta decay. If you buy the calls at wrong time, it will you will lose for the implied volatility and theta decay. You will lose. That's why we are waiting to enter at right time. We waited, right? Because this both the clouds are orange and red. Tesla is trying to break the day trading cloud. Once it breaks the day trading cloud, next it will hit the swing cloud, come down, and then again it will break the swing cloud and go all the way to the top. Yeah, UB also we should have held for some more time. Sterling CL is approaching order block. Yeah, we are holding our UB and ZB. They will move up, and we are waiting for EMF calls. Israel is looking good. Breaks this $30, it can go to 30.4. So one thing you need to remember is So this is a buy order block in the blue color. In the green color, there is a buy order block. This is a buy order block. Generally, when price touches the swing cloud, right, that is where major institutions will try to buy. This is also a buy order, right? This cloud, blue cloud, is like a buy order block. If price touches that and starts bouncing, generally that is a good opportunity. But because it is very close to the resistance, we may not make much profits if we take IBM. But still, it can go up until 187. To avoid it, we will have some other opportunity. New Zealand, JPY. I think new TMF is bouncing back. PLTR is still bullish. RCL. A lot of wheat stocks are moving good today, like CGC. Amazon is looking more bullish. Right? You have nearly 60,000 sellers, 160,000 buyers. Nvidia is also looking very bullish. 672 sellers, 1.8 million buyers. Ucom is looking good. AVGO is looking good. Actually, there are more number of bears. 13,000 bulls and 69,000 bears. So it's looking good. Yeah, Tesla broke the day trading cloud. Now it can go to 198. And then if it breaks the swing cloud, then it will go to 200. No, yeah, Tesla is moving good. We don't need to worry about Tesla. UB also should move into profits. And TMF came a little bit down and then started moving up. Yeah, because there is a sell order. For it to break this one. If it breaks that one, then it can move all the way to the top. Otherwise, it might touch that and again bounce back. Arabian seem like TLTR. It went nearly until 15.3 yesterday. There is a huge buy order block here. It came to the bottom, did a double test, double bottom. So we can go ahead and sell 15 put, say 15 put for RIVN. We can do it for this weekend, this Friday. Sell 15 put and collect to $114 per contract. Selling RIVN input and collect 114 per contract. For 8 9. You can also buy RIVN stock. If you are a stock buyer, you can buy stock and it can easily go to $15. Right? Because overall it's a bullish ticker. It did a double bottom. There is a huge buy order block. It came to the bottom. There is a strong support. You have a strong bullish candles. So minimum it can go here, do a pullback and then go all the way to 15 or go to 15.2. 90,000 base. That means there is a high opportunity for bulls to take the price up. Tesla is moving nicely. $198 is done. We broke the swing cloud. Right, again, you would have prop firm. You can also buy some 50 stocks. There is a huge buy order block. It came to the bottom. Right, even though you have a small account with a prop firm, you can buy 50 stocks and at $2 up is nearly $100. Right, you have a huge bullish momentum. So there is a high possibility for Tesla to touch 200. And for stocks and options, even you can hold for multiple days. You don't need to close by end of the day. Trade fund are again right when no war news these things are going on. It is little risky, but you don't need to close on the same day. Just for your information. Tesla is also making nice profits. We made nice profits with PNTR. Now Tesla should make nice profits, and then RIVN should make nice profits. Time in also should make in a few minutes. Tesla, we are still holding, right? We can hold until $200 because that is where it can drop again. Right? It did a double bottom. We saw a order block. It came to the discount area. If you see, so multiple reasons gave us confidence to go ahead with Tesla. Right? If market was stable without any war news or other thing, we'd have directly bought the Tesla calls, Tesla 200 call or something, which would have given more profits because market is not stable with lot of negative news or lot of war tension, all those things. We just went with a low risk approach. That low risk itself gave us 250 to $260 already with a small position size, right? Just we took 10. Again, you are collecting a premium, so you have low risk. Even with a small account, you can do credit spreads. Even in the prop firm, you can do the credit spreads. So you have a low risk. You are not taking a high risk trade because in prop firms, you should not go below $1,000 per day. So if you buy contracts and suddenly Tesla drops, you may have that drawdown. That's why you are taking low risk trades. You are looking for confidence, proper setup, and then if we enter, then right, you made 250, 300 on personal account, 300 on prop firm account. That means another 1 hour, another $600. So you are changing your billing rate to a three figure or four figure. $200 done on Tesla. Nearly it made $300 with 10 contracts. No, we can wait until it touch this one. So now we are broke both the trading cloud, swing cloud. They will act as support. Even if price goes and touch there, then again price will go up. When price goes and touch them from the bottom, they will act as resistance. But now price is at the top of the clouds, so those clouds will act as support. So Tesla can go till 201. Once it goes to 201, we can take profits. Field here also made a huge move. Again, we are avoiding the risk and we took profits before it touched it. But again, right, overall the buyers were more. So it is trying to break the resistance. You never know, sometimes it can touch and suddenly drop, sometimes it can break. So based on your risk profile, you can keep one or two contracts as free runners. We already made some nice gains here. If you want, you can hold one or two, and if it breaks, and it can go all the way till here. It depends on each user. Right? If you are a low risk trader, you better book even though 20%, 25%. That is good. In half an hour, we made nearly $500. We took the profits. If someone has a high risk, they can take some 80% and keep 20% until they see a sell signal. To start it moving. Yeah, if you want to see the data, one is you need to have a real-time data subscription with TradingView. You need to pay $4 or $5 per month. Second thing is, yeah, today morning I gave access to some of the users for the price pilot. Generally, if you have 399 plan or above, I'm giving price pilot, and if you have 6 months or lifetime access, I'll give access to this RC scan. So that will tell you which is bullish, how many buyers, how many sellers, right? For example, PLTR, it shows 1.2 million buyers, 181,000 sellers. That's why it is moving so big. Same thing RCL, right? TMF, it showed bearish. So that's why even though there was a buy order block, we did not take it because it was showing bearish. So RIVN, it is showing 294,000.6 buyers, 89,000 sellers. So there is a high possibility for RIVN to make nice profits. So if you get 6 months access, I'll also add this one to your profile. Right? Generally, it is only 5 indicators, but yeah, we are giving additional for all the 6 months or right. One or 2 days will cover your right. Already we made over $700-800 today. It should make more with RIVN. It should make more profits. Yeah, UB, we should have waited UB and ZB for some more time, but I'm holding. They should go up. Right, generally, if Tesla is bullish, RIVN also will follow because both of them belong to EV sector. Tesla should touch 201 plus. We are waiting for the price to touch that one. Then we can book the profits on Tesla. RIVN, and then we got earnings today. So generally before earnings, there will be always a good, most of the time, traders will be positive before the earnings. Stocks will generally go up before earnings, and based on the earnings, stocks can go up or go down, right? For example, if RIVN report bad earnings, then tomorrow is a good day to trade shorts on RIVN, or we can buy puts on RIVN on your prop accounts. You can make nice profits. Or if RIVN give good earnings, then tomorrow wait for RIVN to come to the bottom. Whenever it comes to the bottom, you can buy the stocks, you can buy the option calls, you can sell the option puts. That's it. Every day you watch for one or two stocks which had earnings on the previous day, and then just to trade with them. You don't need to look at lot of stocks also. Just watch two or three stocks, and then without risking your own money, you trade in your prop firms. Once you get confidence, at that point you can also trade on your personal accounts. You can trade on your prop firms at same time for the same effort. You can make money in multiple ways. Right? All you want is scalability. Right? For your effort, you should make more money. Right? In your job, if we continue to keep the same effort, there is no guarantee that we'll make more money. Actually, if BTC, yeah, if BTC is going up, generally all your crypto stocks will go up. Right? BTC came to the bottom. Then you can see coin, coin will right, coin 40,000 bulls. A lot of buyers at the bottom. It is going all the way to the top. Yeah, because again, I don't want to have too many positions at same time. So I'm trying to, once we close Tesla, we'll go with one more. Now we have Tesla and RIVN. Already we have Netflix or two or three positions from last week. And now we have Tesla and RIVN. They should make profits. But there will be plenty of opportunities every day, right? If you have scanners, then they will show that okay, Dollar Tree, XEL, BTC is going up, then all your crypto stocks, MSTR, and all those things will keep going up. Right? You can see MSTR from $1270, it went to 1347. It can go touch 1360 and then drop. So even if you buy 10 stocks in the prop firm, it is $1,000. Right? You are buying at the bottom. You see the confluence, lot of buyers here. And you can always see how many buyers, how many sellers. Again, we got confidence, RIVN. It shows nearly three times more buyers than the sellers. Right? 295,000 buyers, 89,000. 1.2 million buyers, 181,000. RCL also only 17,000 sellers, 60,000 buyers. So whenever RCL comes to a bottom, that is a good time to go long. Or even if it come and touch the swing cloud, you get a buy signal, you can go long because RCL can go until 153.7. So this morning itself, I gave you the checklist that RCL is a good one for today. RIVN, RIVN should move good. Yeah, Tesla. I, mm, yeah, you can take profits on Tesla. Or again, as I said, based on your risk, if you want, you can hold 20%. Right? If you have indicators, you can take a decision. Right? If you have the indicators based on your risk profile, you know when to take profits, when to trim, right? Because every trader is different, every account size is different, everyone's risk is different. We try to, right, consider a small trader or an average trader, and we try to sometimes book profits, right? We ask you to take profits early. No, it went. So if you bought a stock somewhere here, nearly $3-4 per stock. Even if you bought 20, 30 stocks, that is nearly $120. Right? It made another $400 with Tesla. RIVN is also making nice profits. No, we took all already. Microsoft, we are still holding. No, we are holding UB still, UB and GB. Generally, on every weekend, I share what are the earning calendar. But if you want, you can go to ewhisper.com and you can see what are the major earnings on the day. Yeah, after the market, I'll give access. If any one of you missing, I'll give access. So you can, yeah, trade funder. Anybody can go there. There are no discount codes or promo codes. You can just go to trade funder website and you can subscribe to stocks or options. Right now it touches the red area. So again, you want to avoid risk. There is a huge sell order block here. Right? Sometimes it may break the order. It may go here and then drop. But better, right? When you made $300-400 in 1 hour, why to take a risk? And for small, some more profits, why to take a risk? Better you book the profits. Right? You don't need to wait for bottom. You don't need to wait for top. You can always the profits are in the middle. Right? If we wait for more profit, sometimes suddenly there might be a big candle. We may lose the profits what we have in our hand, and there will be so many opportunities every day. So we can cat is also looking good. Yeah, that's it, everyone. I'll post whenever I close UBZB and then RIVN. I'll post in the channels. And if there are any other new trades, I'll post in the respective channels. But yeah, that's it, right? What we did yesterday, today, Friday is basically waiting for a proper confluence. Yeah, UB, we should have waited, uh, just like for TMF, we saw we should have waited for UB, but uh, it should come back, or we can, once we see another confirmation, we can average it. But I hope everyone got right how you can trade stocks, how you can trade options, how with the same effort, how you can make money, you can multiply your money when you see a strong setup. Right? Maybe out of 10 times, we may make mistake once or twice, or suddenly because of some news, something may drop. But if you are making 8 to 9 times, then one trade, even if you lose, that should keep you green at the end of the day or end of the week. Right? Yesterday, nearly we made profits with everything. Today, we made profits with both Tesla and RIV, Tesla and PLTR. RIV also should move to nice profits in some time. And there will be more opportunities, and I'll keep sharing them by everyone. Right? I don't want to, because if I keep everyone in Zoom, then yeah, there are some members thinking that how it is. too much we have to stay. So yeah, right. I'm just trying to teach you how to use the indicators. The purpose is not to give alerts in the live session, right? We are just like for TMF we saw why we did not take it. So I'm trying to teach you how to use the candle size, candle body size before you take a trade. Uh, and also we are looking at different factors. You are not just going by one factor. You are looking at order blocks. You are looking at the candle size. Because yeah, for UB we had a order block, but suddenly there was a big sell order block which came and it took the price down. But yeah, that's what happens out of once or twice out of 10 trades. Sometimes it happens, but because it is at the bottom, it should bounce back in some time. Right? Whenever I close it, I'll post it in the channels. And whenever I close RIBN and other trades, I'll post in US equities. And that's why I'm posting in US equities because if you are in stocks group or indicators group, you may not see whatever I post in options. So whatever trades we take in the live session, I'll post it there. If there are any other new trades, I may post only in the options group. Okay, everyone, I'll do a setup session in the evening. If anyone missing any of the indicators, I'll provide access there for the new indicators. Right? It is similar to price pulse. The only thing is it will show in a smaller chunks, or it will show the overall right. Price pulse will show in smaller chunks, and price pilot will show it in a bigger chunks. Yeah, talk to you later in the evening. Yeah, I'll post right whenever I close the profits. I'll post it in the US equities. Yeah, most of the indicators you have to use just the default settings. There is nothing you have to change. The site name is eWhisper, EWHS. Or even if you go to US equities and watch the, you will have the website name on the earnings. Right, every weekend I share that what are the earnings for that week. On that screenshot also you will see that eWhisper.com. Netflix 615, 620. Better when it comes to the bottom, we can do an average, right? If it comes somewhere here, we can average the Netflix call. Yeah, any access request I'll take in the setup session. SMCI earnings. I'll see, right? I'll see based on the option flows. I'll let post in the groups if I see any good huge option flows before end of the day. As of now, it is not looking great. 720. Not many buyers. $200, yeah, buyers, but yeah, there are not many buyers who close by. Yeah, if you're part of crypto channel, you will receive invite for future session. Yeah, okay, bro. Talk to you later. And if anyone want to get these indicators, so you can trade whichever you want. You can trade India stocks, India options. You can trade currencies, futures, everything. You can go to that and you can select a 399 plan, and you will get all these. Not this one, but you will get price pilot, price pulse, whatever we are using, except the RC scan. You will get if you get a 6 months plan, or then you will get the RC scan also, which will also help you for a proper decision making. Yeah. Have a nice day, everyone. Talk to you in the evening.